Good morning, and welcome to 911 Reviews. This is Sean, and today I've got something simple and nice to spice up your homestead. It's a hand-painted stainless steel bowl from Spices Home Decor. So let's get it unboxed and take a look. You can see the box has a little sneak preview of the floral designs, and it's wrapped up to keep it from getting scratched or damaged while shipping. What's notable is that it's designed and painted by Kashmiri artists from northern India. In case you're not familiar, the Kashmir region of India is a beautiful spot of land, and its artists are known for their dedication and design work and style. So you can see the handiwork on the outside, and the inside is a super shiny stainless steel bowl. So you can really use the bowl for anything you'd use a stainless steel bowl for. Salad, chips and popcorn at a party. Side note, as with most hand-painted things, don't put it in the dishwasher. It's stainless steel on the inside anyways, so it makes it easy to clean. You can use it as a serving bowl for pasta or rice, or put it in your living room as a decoration, or for small hand towels in the bathroom. Really, you can just use it for anything that fits your style. So check it out on Amazon, we'll leave a link below. Right now they're running a discount if you buy one, and a bigger discount if you get 2 and/or 3. You can also get them in 3 different colors. This one is a cream color for reference. You can also visit their website at spiceshomedecor.space, and we'll leave that below too. So there you go, you can get a nice hand-painted Kashmiri bowl without having to fly to India and back. In fact, you don't even have to leave your house, you can just go to Amazon. So thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, we've got new reviews all the time. We'll see you next time.